Hello and welcome to another update video about ETH. Yeah, ETH could be now in this fifth wave. So ETH turned around in our trend reversal area, which is good to see. Not entirely convinced by the structure here and how it looks like, but that's okay. That's just the microstructure. The idea was for ETH to make another high, which it is doing right now. Remember that we will have a few more segments of wave 4s and 5s and everything here. So I cannot really confirm that this fourth wave is over yet down there that we were discussing yesterday, but ETH is catching up a little bit. So the idea is this could have been potentially an Elliott Wave triangle here, just to give you an idea of the potential micro count before we carry on. It could be that this was an A wave, this here was a B wave, C wave, D wave, E wave. That is important for further considerations where ETH might be going. So I cannot rule out that wave 4 will go back into the support region, but ideally, if we're talking about this wave degree, it should be finished now, because any new low will mean that we are probably breaking critical 1755 support. Well, guess what? Our support area did hold for now. I don't have a very good view of the microstructure here, but it could be that this is now wave 5, which could stretch a little higher. I mean, we talked about the $1,900 level as next key resistance, okay? We saw that yesterday on the daily chart. This is really just a quick update here. But this could be 5, then there should be another 4 and another 5 of that larger third wave, okay? And at some point then we should make that larger degree fourth. I don't think we're there yet. And I have to adjust support slightly for that. This is what I will have to do over the next few days. This is really the main bullish support. So that indicates that I'm generally bullish here as long as 1663 is holding, okay? As long as this level is holding, we are focused on the upside. This is just a microstructure, so let's assume 1755 breaks. Wouldn't be a disaster. Wouldn't be great, but it wouldn't be a disaster. It would just mean we then assume that we're already in this wave 4 here. Now, okay, now that we've moved out of this support area, I don't have enough indications or enough info to say, okay, this is already circle wave 3. If it is, let's see if we can come up with a rough approximate target here for circle wave 3. So circle wave 3. So oops, where are the FIB extensions? 1 second. Just need to change them back to the standard extensions. Okay. So if we talk about, yeah, we have to take the length of waves 1 and 3. Then we go to the low of the wave 4, and that would actually be the end of the triangle. That's where we have to be a bit flexible, but I would say good target range for this fifth wave of a third would be between 1900 and 1933, roughly, okay? Then we should get another 4. So I can't give you a support area for circle wave 4 yet. I will make you aware in the next video, and will also make you aware if you're a gold member on Telegram and Discord later, once I see that upside expectations are fulfilled for wave 5 of circle wave 3. Yeah, not much more to add. Maybe one more quick look at the daily time frame, because these days obviously a lot of people are getting interested in the market. Just also for everybody who's already interested, and just a quick reminder of where we stand on the daily time frame. Here, Ether is catching up. So I did mention that Ether is likely going to catch up on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is moved. When Bitcoin is consolidating, altcoins, including Ether, are going to catch up a bit. Ether hasn't moved as much as Bitcoin, hasn't broken out yet above the 2023 highs. So for anybody who had FOMO, Ether was still a possibility. It still is. You just need to do what's right for your portfolio. I can't give you any specific entries. You have to make sure that you understand the relevant pullback zones. You have to understand the risk. That's what our analysis is for. And then you just have to make the decisions that are right for your portfolio. Okay. But important to understand that we're likely still in this wave 1. This larger degree wave 1, it should escalate higher. This wave 1 is what I just showed you on the shorter time frame count. Once we have all 5 waves complete, we should complete this wave 1. Then we get a wave 2 pullback, and it should move higher. This can still escalate a bit more, but 1900 roughly will be resistance. Here the trend line. And then 2001 50. Yeah, that's my update about Ether. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.